Hello and welcome to another video update. Today we want to take a look at the Nvidia chart. Nvidia is one of the stocks that I update regularly in our stocks membership. In our stocks community, it gets updated at least once a week. Yeah, if you wanna check that out, if you wanna join that, feel free to follow our or join our membership. It's the Patreon link. I put the link into the description. And it takes you, to our Discord server, and there you get access to all of these updates, including Nvidia. We had a target zone here recently of this internal wave 4, to which the price has now reacted, and we have started a fifth wave to the upside. A bit more than a week ago actually, and the move up has landed in our target area of a wave 5 of circle wave 3. Now, what does all of this mean? Now, first of all, and I think I shared that in previous updates already, the idea is that the market is currently working on a fifth wave to the upside. So the thing is, we could really work on a blow-off top here. But so far, I have remained bullish because we are holding above all support levels. This was a larger support area that was reached in September for this larger wave 4. And then the idea was we could get one more high in circle wave 5 in the white scenario, and this could really complete a much larger upside impulse. However, we have not yet reached larger degree targets. So obviously we can distinguish between larger degree targets, which are based on the larger degree patterns, and then smaller degree targets really only based on the internal structures. And the next larger degree target is around $232. I'd like to see the market get there. Even though smaller degree targets have already been reached. But that's telling me that at least I should consider the orange scenario. What's the difference? So in the end, both are bullish, but the white scenario is now really full, because in this move to the upside, in which we expected an expanding diagonal pattern to form, we have a very full wave count now, but it only would complete the larger degree third wave in the orange count. We could then get another wave 4 and another wave 5. In the white scenario, this wave 4 already bottomed in September. Unfortunately for us, both scenarios are plausible. The difference didn't really matter until now. So let's say the easy trades are gone, because until now, the idea was, okay, even in the white scenario, we can go higher, and in the orange ones. It doesn't really matter. I don't care about it. But now the next pullback will decide, are we in the orange scenario or the white scenario? So this expanding diagonal pattern might complete in this region. We have from this low in September a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So this is basically an ending diagonal pattern, expanding diagonal. However, I would only consider that circle wave 3 has formed the top and the next larger pullback has started once, or should we get a break of upside momentum. That hasn't happened yet, so at the moment the pressure is still up. We have now reached next resistance around $211. If we push above it, it could send us straight to 232. I would then probably have to refine here the microstructures. They might change a little bit. Maybe this extends, maybe this third goes here, fourth goes here, fifth goes here, because now this wave count is very full, but I have no evidence for a top. But that can happen quickly. So all I'm saying is, if a diagonal pattern completes, the pullback can be sharp. I'm definitely going to be watching for it. For now, there's no sign of a top. All I'm saying, be cautious, And once we see some, any evidence for a top, we will add the next support area to the chart. But that depends on where the top forms. So I think we are close to a major top. Haven't topped yet. So it's time to be cautious, not bearish at this point. Quite impressive, this rally. And what's going on with Nvidia? So let's take a look at some of the news. I'll switch to our partner brokers dashboard, the X station from XTB. You can, of course, trade Nvidia here, for example. Sometimes people ask me, where can I trade the stocks that I cover here on this channel? So we've partnered with XTB. It's a globally regulated broker. If you're looking for a new broker, you might want to check it out. There's a link in the comment section. it's an affiliate link, it's a partner link. With that, you would support this project here as well, where we give you a lot of updates every single day, completely for free here on YouTube. With XTB, you also have the possibility to qualify for a free stock until the end of the month. That is a promotion that, as far as I'm informed, will end then. But it depends on where you're located, so you can just read through if you qualify, if you follow the link in the comment section. Again, they offer 0% commission up to 100,000 euros monthly turnover. No custody fees, free deposit withdrawals, investment plans. You can trade Forex, even commodities, indices, and they have over 10,900 instruments, which are growing all the time. So check it out if you're interested. And what I actually want to show you here is if we go to Nvidia, first of all, you can obviously check everything out. You know, all the rates of return, everything, the financials. If you're interested, by the way, let me know if in a future video we should go through this. Operating margin is 58%. It's quite impressive. What I actually wanted to show you is they have a news area here, and you can type in Nvidia here, which I've done already. And there are plenty of news that are coming out at the moment. So there's a lot of hype. There's a lot happening, you know. And the fact that there are a lot of news, or there is a lot of news, is because we are, let's say, in a sentiment phase where there is euphoria. Okay, that's exactly what the chart is telling us. Like in the late stages of a third wave, as you saw on the wave count, wave structure, that is very often when also a lot of news are coming out, right? Or is coming out, because it's it's kind of that sentiment where people want to write about it, people want to read about it, you know, people want to invest, trade, and so on. Now, there's been a lot. I mean, Palantir and Nvidia joined forces in advanced artificial intelligence development. Yeah, what has come out today is that Nvidia, hold on, no, that was not even the most up-to-date one. Yeah, here. Nvidia surpasses 5 trillion market cap. It's crazy. By the way, what they also have are these heat maps and everything. But yeah, it's crazy. So, what do you say here? Nvidia is up 4.7% today, with its market capitalization surpassing 5 trillion. That's really crazy. I mean, if you look at the if you go to market analysis, you look at the heat map here. This is period 1 week, and you can select daily. Sure if it. Oh yeah, okay. Market is closed now. So if we go to weekly, you see the performance. I mean, 13.6% up. Crazy performance. Compared to, I mean, most of these tech stocks have done really, really well. This was supposed to be a crazy week anyway, with Fed interest rate decision, with earnings everywhere. So yeah, really, really crazy movements. But even Amazon, Google, all of them are up. But Nvidia, yeah, with 13.6% in a week, it's crazy. If we go to month shows similar results actually, but it's performed a lot in recent week. So yeah, all of that you can do here on XTB, but I just want to highlight the fact that we now have this crazy market cap. We've reached this crazy market cap. So again, when stuff like that is flying around, just be careful with this one. I mean, there will be the time when this bubble will burst. Not there yet, but this can happen very, very quickly. So just have your risk management spot on. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you're interested to check out XTB, if you want to open an account, then feel free to use the link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.